Here are our learning menus for Monday, October 6th through Friday, October 10th, 2025. We begin Monday with social studies, and we're going to do Histories and Mysteries Lesson 4. Why is there an elephant on the beach? The kids will go to art and have snack. For math today, we finished Module 1, so we're going to do the end of module review for the test tomorrow. For literacy, we have our focus groups, fluency, phonics, and morphology, and we're going to do the written response for COG. And then after lunch and recess is the 6th session of Place Value Math Win. As you can see, the kids do have homework this week. They have a writing calendar, but there are only 3 writing assignments, and one of them is a free write. And they have happy numbers, but they only need to do 45 minutes because Friday is an early release day. On Tuesday, the kids go to chorus, and we 4th grade teachers collaborate. For writing today, are ants helpful or a pest for their writing calendar? They'll have snack and go to gym. For math, we do have the end of Module 1 test today. Miss Alexa is in from 10:30 to 11 to assist so that she and I can each have small groups. And then when she leaves at 10:30, Miss O'Hare comes in from 10:30 to 11. So there will be 2 of us here for the whole test. For literacy, we have our focus groups of fluency, phonics, and morphology again. The kids will rotate, and we're going to read the flying test. And then after lunch and recess, for social studies, we're going to focus on the bodies of water in North America. On Wednesday, we start with writing, and the kids can work on their free write, and they're going to finish publishing their podcast and practice presenting it. The kids will go to gym, and then we have Miss Alexa for social emotional learning, and then we have snack. For math, we're beginning Module 2, which is about measurement conversions. Our first conversion is for length. So that's millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. For literacy, we're going to read the flying test. And then after lunch and recess, for social studies, we're focusing on the landforms in North America, mainly deserts and mountains. On Thursday, the kids begin with music, and for social studies, the kids are going to practice using a legend and a compass rose. We'll have snack. For math, our metric conversion today is mass, which is grams and kilograms. For literacy, we're going to read Down to Earth. After lunch and recess, we have our 7th session of Place Value Math Win. And as you know, Friday is a half day, and we don't have school on Monday. So it's a nice long weekend, but we begin Friday with digital learning and then music. For writing, the kids can present podcasts and then snack. I do have math and literacy. However, I believe that we're going to have the camping party. The kids earned their camping party, so we're going to have it today. So we will probably just have digital learning and music, and then the rest of the day will be the camping party. We'll probably have writing. Although I may flip-flop math and writing so that we can get math in. So I may flip that. And then from snack on, from 10 to 11:20 at dismissal, they'll have the camping party. Okay? So that sounds like a lot of fun. So I hope you have a wonderful week.